Hi, Frank Brennan from MarineMax of Rhode Island here to show you this 2023 Aviara 32 Outboard that we just took in trade. The boat only has 50 hours on it and it is very well equipped. I'd like to show you some of the features starting right here at the bow. Right up here at the anchor well, we have a stainless steel anchor and a remote control for putting it up and down. Also have the wash down right here, down below, so you can wash it off, make sure you don't get mud all over the boat. Closes up nicely. Up here in the bow we also have USB plugs on both sides, so you or your guests can charge their phones. We have 8 cup holders, and this boat features the satin finish on the grills. Another additional feature up here is the storage that we have up here. Here it is with hydraulic hoists. Nice storage there with a drain. Same thing back here. And back here, this one is the mooring cover that covers the whole boat, and you can store it right up here with no problem. This storage area also opens for your convenience, so you can store flares or anything else that you want to down there. Working our way over to the windshield wiper. I know, don't think that's a great feature, but this one actually has the washdown hose attached to the wiper. So when you have salt water on the windshield, it helps to clear it nicely. Walking on aft, we have the wind guard here with the fold down windshield. So the wind guard door closes like here, goes in the insert, and the windshield closes down, protecting your guests from a lot of wind on those cold days. And again, it stores very nicely right over here. Continuing aft, if you have to use the head, this is a great head down below. Lots of room to sink. Great location to change. And again, ample room. At the helm, we have fold down seats, so you can drive standing up or sitting down. And it's a double helm seat, so you and your favorite companion can sit together. Has a Simrad display and the Aviara control panel. The Aviara control panel actually controls the aft sunshade, opens the hatch in the back, controls your mood lighting, which is red, green, and blue on this boat, and all your other electronic features, including your stereo. Moving over here, we have the joystick control. With the joystick, it has the white 300 horsepower Mercury engines. And again, as I mentioned, I think only 50 hours on this boat. The controls are right here. And over here, we actually have your cup holders actually have coolers in them, so that you don't have to have a hot drink at any time. Continuing after over here, the storage on this boat is amazing. This compartment over here. Again, 5 cup holders over there. Another storage here. Notice the gas assist struts. And storage right back here. And again, because this is the outboard model, this hatch will open up and you'll have ample storage down below there. Over here in the country kitchen feature, you have a bar. And an optional grill is available. This owner chose not to have one, but you could have a grill here on the Aviara 32. Again, notice more cup holders, the satin finish on the grills, and ample storage down here. And your Aviara cooler is right here. So it can easily be removed or left there, but easy to take on and off the boat. Teak table is a folding table, so it can be a cocktail table if you like, or a little dining table. Continuing aft, this boat features the bar stool seats, sometimes called stadium seating, which are a great feature if you have people swimming. Your guests can sit up here and down below, and you can have 6 people sitting in this area and watching people swim or snorkel or whatever you want. All 3 of these are bar stool seats. Right over here we have storage for your fenders. Dedicated storage, as you can see. And continuing aft, we have more storage over here. Storage in this compartment and storage in this compartment. We also have the outboard motor flush on this one, your freshwater inlet, and your shower for the cockpit. So if you want to come up the boarding ladder over here, you can just take a nice shower and get that salt off of you. And on this side, we have your battery switches and controls for power. Again, there are 4 cup holders here, 2 over there. If you add up all the cup holders, you can have a really big party on this boat. This boat also features the aft sunshade there, as you can view where that chrome is. That comes out back about this distance, and can keep you shaded on those warm days. If you have any more questions about this boat, please check MarineMax.com and look for the Aviara AV32 Outboard, or call us at MarineMax Wakefield, Rhode Island. Thank you.